Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will discuss Databricks jobs and workflows, which are critical for automating, orchestrating, and scheduling all types of data pipelines and analytics workloads in the Databricks ecosystem. Jobs and workflows help organizations reliably process data, generate reports, and run machine learning pipelines without human intervention. Key points covered in this subtopic: how Databricks jobs automate notebook, script, and jar execution. Task sequencing and dependency management in workflows. Scheduling, error handling, monitoring, and retries. Parameterization, cluster usage, and real-world production examples. Integration with DevOps pipelines and CI/CD processes. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue structured learning of Databricks concepts. What is a Databricks job? A Databricks job is a mechanism to run notebooks, scripts, or jar files automatically without requiring manual execution. Jobs are widely used to automate data ingestion, transformation, and analytics tasks in production environments. They ensure pipelines run consistently at predefined schedules or in response to triggers. Jobs reduce the risk of human error, improve operational efficiency, and provide a foundation for reliable production workflows. What are Databricks workflows? Workflows allow you to orchestrate multiple interdependent tasks in a single, connected pipeline. Each task can depend on one or more upstream tasks to ensure proper execution order. Workflows allow complex pipelines to be modular, reusable, and manageable. This makes it easy to automate end-to-end processes, from raw data ingestion to analytics or machine learning outputs. Why are jobs and workflows important in production pipelines? They allow data pipelines to run consistently without manual intervention. Automation ensures timely data availability for analytics, reporting, and decision-making. They provide mechanisms for error handling, retries, and alerting when issues occur. This reliability is critical for enterprises that depend on fresh, accurate, and consistent data. What types of tasks can be executed in Databricks jobs? Databricks jobs can execute notebooks written in Python, SQL, Scala, or R. They can also run scripts, jar files, or Python wheel packages. Machine learning training tasks can be scheduled as part of jobs. This flexibility allows jobs to support a wide range of workloads from analytics to AI. How does task dependency work in workflows? Each task can be configured to start only after one or more tasks complete successfully. Conditional execution allows skipping tasks if upstream tasks fail or meet certain conditions. Dependencies help ensure that data transformations and processing happen in the correct order. This improves pipeline reliability and reduces the risk of generating incorrect or incomplete data outputs. How are jobs scheduled in Databricks? Jobs can be scheduled using simple interval-based triggers such as hourly, daily, or weekly runs. Advanced scheduling is supported using cron expressions for precise timing control. Scheduling ensures pipelines run consistently without human intervention. It is especially important for reporting, dashboards, and time-sensitive machine learning pipelines. What happens when a job fails? Databricks provides detailed error logs and stack traces for each failed task. Retry policies can be configured to automatically rerun failed tasks a set number of times. Notifications or alerts can be sent to data engineers to resolve issues quickly. This proactive error handling reduces downtime and ensures reliable production operations. How do jobs improve operational efficiency? Manual execution of repetitive tasks is eliminated. Automated scheduling ensures that workloads run at the correct time consistently. Errors due to manual intervention are significantly reduced. Teams can focus on optimization, monitoring, and innovation rather than manual execution. What is the difference between single-task jobs and multi-task workflows? Single-task jobs execute a single notebook, script, or jar. Multitask workflows can orchestrate multiple interdependent tasks in a sequence or directed acyclic graph. Workflows are ideal for complex pipelines that require data to pass through multiple transformation or analysis steps. Single-task jobs are simpler and suitable for straightforward, independent tasks. How are clusters used with jobs? Jobs can run on all-purpose clusters or dedicated job clusters. Job clusters are created specifically for a job execution and terminated after completion. This isolation ensures that jobs do not affect interactive users or other workloads. Job clusters help optimize cost and provide predictable performance. What are the advantages of job clusters in production? They isolate production jobs from interactive workloads. Resource conflicts and performance degradation are avoided. Clusters are provisioned and terminated automatically, reducing operational overhead. This approach improves reliability and ensures predictable execution times. How do jobs support scalability in Databricks? Jobs leverage Spark's distributed compute engine to handle large datasets efficiently. Auto-scaling clusters adjust compute resources dynamically based on load. Multiple concurrent jobs can be executed without affecting each other. This ensures consistent performance for enterprise-scale pipelines. How do jobs integrate with data engineering pipelines? Jobs automate ingestion from multiple source systems into Databricks. Transformations and validations are applied sequentially as tasks. The processed data is stored in curated layers for downstream analytics. This automation ensures reliable and consistent production pipelines. How are jobs monitored and logged? Databricks provides a detailed jobs UI showing status, execution times, and errors. Logs capture the execution of each task and provide debugging details. Metrics and dashboards help analyze performance trends over time. Monitoring allows teams to proactively identify and resolve issues. How do jobs support collaboration between teams? Data engineers define and automate pipelines once. Analysts and buy teams can rely on the same jobs to provide fresh process data. Workflows ensure consistent execution across multiple teams. This reduces friction and improves operational efficiency across departments. How is security applied to jobs and workflows? Access is controlled using role-based permissions. Only authorized users can create, modify, or execute jobs. Detailed audit logs track every action performed on jobs. This ensures enterprise-grade security and compliance. How are parameters used in jobs? Jobs can accept parameters at runtime for dynamic execution. The same job can be executed for different datasets or environments. Parameterization improves reusability and reduces duplication. This supports flexible, production-ready workflows. How do jobs support machine learning workflows? Feature engineering, model training, and evaluation can all be scheduled as sequential tasks. Automated jobs ensure ML pipelines run consistently for retraining or batch scoring. Errors are logged and can trigger retries or notifications. This makes ML pipelines more reliable and production-ready. What are common interview questions on jobs and workflows? Interviewers often ask how daily pipelines are automated. Questions may include error handling, retries, and alerting strategies. Dependency management and task orchestration are frequently tested. Real-world examples of pipelines improve the strength of answers. How do jobs reduce operational risk? Automation ensures consistent execution without human error. Dependencies prevent incomplete or out-of-order processing. Failures are detected and managed proactively. Overall reliability of production pipelines is significantly increased. How do jobs integrate with CI/CD pipelines? Jobs can be triggered via APIs as part of deployment pipelines. Code updates can be deployed automatically to production workflows. This supports modern DevOps practices and ensures repeatable deployments. Integration allows teams to maintain version control and testing. What are best practices for designing Databricks workflows? Tasks should be modular and reusable for different pipelines. Dependencies must be explicitly defined to avoid execution errors. Error handling and retry strategies should be configured upfront. Monitoring, logging, and alerting should be integrated from the start. How do jobs improve data freshness? Scheduled execution ensures timely processing of incoming data. Dashboards and reports are updated consistently with minimal delay. ML pipelines have access to the latest data for training or scoring. This enables accurate business decisions based on real-time or near real-time data. Why are Databricks jobs important for interviews? They demonstrate understanding of production-ready data platforms. Interviewers expect candidates to explain automation, dependency management, and reliability. Knowledge of scheduling, monitoring, and error handling is tested. Strong answers show practical understanding of enterprise workflows. How should candidates explain Databricks jobs confidently? Explain automation, scheduling, and task orchestration clearly. Discuss dependency management and error handling. Highlight scalability, cost optimization, and cluster usage. Provide real-world examples of pipelines and monitoring strategies. Thank you for watching Zoom in Data. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks interview and tutorial videos coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.